Hello, my name is Jessica Otto. I am the head of collection services for the Monroe County Library System. I am in charge of acquiring all the materials for the library, print materials and also digital materials, including online databases. Today, I would like to introduce you to our newest online database, Birds of the World. This resource is brought to you by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. This is a great resource for birders and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also a wonderful resource for anyone who has a homework assignment or research paper about birds. A few highlights of this resource: it is a definitive life histories for every bird in the world, not just Michigan, not just the United States, but all the birds in the world. It features 10,721 authoritative species accounts, 249 family accounts. It includes illustrations and data-driven range maps, photos, videos, bird sounds, revision histories, and it includes species names in 43 different languages and updates by leading ornithologists. So I am going to show you how you can access Birds of the World through the Monroe County Library System website. So to get to the Monroe County Library website, you will go to mymcls.com. That's mymcls.com. And you are going to navigate to the Research tab, which is going to bring up a drop-down menu with other options. On this menu, you want to go to the far left and scroll down to Online Resources. And click that. Okay, and this will take you to our Online Resources page. You'll want to scroll down until on the right-hand side you get to the heading General Reference. You'll want to click on the yellow plus button next to General Reference, and that will bring up the list of all our general reference databases. They are listed in alphabetical order, with Birds of the World being the fourth entry on the list. Go ahead and click Birds of the World. It will take you to this page with some information about the database. And then it says click to access Birds of the World. You can click that. On this page, you'll want to go down to where it says Library Card Holders. You can click that. To enter, all you have to do is enter in your 14-digit library barcode number. It should start with the digits 25001, and you'll want to enter it in there with no spaces, all 14 digits together. And once you do that, click Sign In, and you will have access to the Birds of the World database. Now that we are logged in to the Birds of the World database, I just want to show you a few things about how this site works. So right in the top here, you can see there is a search bar. You can use this to search for a species name or a family name for birds. Maybe you don't have a specific species or family name you want to search, that's okay. If you click this button under the search bar, it says Explore Taxonomy. Click that. And this will give you a list of all 10,824 species that you can look up on this site. So maybe that number is a bit overwhelming. Maybe you want to narrow the focus of this a little bit. They have a filter feature up here towards the top. You can click on this and you have the option to filter by major regions, and then within those regions you can search by county, state, province, country, territory, or dependency. You also have the ability to narrow the results based on conservation status. So just to demonstrate, I am going to narrow by conservation status. I am going to click the near threatened status, hit done. And now we can see that my search results have been narrowed down from over 10,800 down to 902 species that are on the near threatened list. So that's how you can use the filter to narrow down your results. So back to the home page, I just want to show you a few other features of this page. If you scroll down here we have, it features the latest updates on various birds and shows which date the update was made. On the opposite side, we have different news stories that pertain to birds or anything birds of the world. You can view here an in-depth species account of various birds. This chart here, it shows you the percentage of birds that are assigned the various conservation statuses, with the highest number, 68.1%, being in the least concerned status. So as we get closer to the bottom of the screen here, there is a place called Get Updates, and you can actually enter your email address in there and click Get Updates, and it will sign you up. It'll send you updates about the different bird species and families as they become available. So that, in a nutshell, is the Birds of the World database. Thank you for taking this tour with me of the Birds of the World site, and thank you for being a valued patron of the Monroe County Library System.